मोरी रूम झूम बादर गरज बरसे साकी मोरी रूम झूम बादर गरज बरसे साकी मोरी रूम झूम साकी मोरी रूम झूम बादर गरज बरसे साकी मोरी रूम झूम तेरा रैन है अंधेरी कारी रैन है अंधेरी कारी बिजुली चमक आज बिजुली चमक आज कैसे जाऊं जल भरन कैसे जाऊं जल भरन बादर गरज बरसे साकी मोरी रूम झूम बादर गरज बरसे साकी मोरी रूम झूम साकी मोरी रूम झूम बादर गरज बरसे साकी मोरी रूम झूम अरे मापा धा साधा मेरी मेरी धा 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 मापा धा मापा रे सा सके मोरी रूम झूम ममर जरे
लैंप ऑफ हो जाएगा। ओपन डोर का स्टेट तो ये लैंप ऑन हो जाएगा। ओके, ये वीडियो आपके रेफरेंस के लिए है। यहाँ पर मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ जो मेरा मैप है और हमारे गेटवेज। जैसे कि आप चाह रहे थे कि आपकी पेंट गन का लोकेशन पता चले, तो वो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। ये हमारा वो गेटवे है जो रिक्वायर होता है इसकी पोजीशनिंग के लिए। और अभी आपको बीकन्स दिखाएंगे। ये बीकन्स हमारे यहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं और ये बीकन्स का डेटा जो है हम डैशबोर्ड पे देख सकते हैं। ये वो बीकन है, जब हम इसको लेके मूव करते हैं तो वहाँ डैशबोर्ड में भी हमको सब मूव करता नज़र आएगा। दिस इज़ एन इंट्रोडक्शन टू eShelf label software. In front of me is 2 ESL displays and we have a mobile app. So we'll be changing the data of the ESL. So this is the first ESL. As we can see over here, 1 2 3 4 5 is written. There is a QR code, a name, unit, grade. Now using our app we'll change the data. This is our ESL programmer. What you have to do is just change the data pricing and click generate. Now you can see how the ESL will look. Now I'm using my phone. So I'll just place my display over here. on the back of the phone, and you can see the data changed. Let's try with the second one. Now I'm trying to change the value to 9000, and let's generate right. If in the middle of the process you remove the phone, the process needs to be done again. Now it's done. 9000. And here we have the different one. Let's change of this device. There you go. Now what we can do over here is we have this SDK which we provide. You can use this SDK to build your own application, and you can connect it with your database, build a centralized program, or you can give us the contract to build it for you. Thank you. Okay, so here today we are going to show you our NFC data logger. Now this is NFC data logger. I'll just place this at the back of my phone, and you can see the temperature and voltage. Now to activate this NFC card, all I have to do is I have to keep this at the back of my phone, and then there it is. Now this is a very thin NFC card. It is a data logger inside, 0.5 Celsius plus minus calibration factor, and we also provide calibration certificate on request. Now to start the recording, we have to go over here. We can select the time interval. Let's say we want to record every 100 seconds. This is the number of reading temperature points. Now limit low temperature, high temperature. Now this is the required limit for generating the PDF report. To start the logging, just click start. Now this is your card, just place it at the back of the phone. When it says RTC on, the data logging has started. Now there is a delay time of 1 minute. After 1 minute, the temperature logging will start.